So this is the AZDOME Dashcam, and I'm basically fitting it on to this BMW M5. This is my new car. It's not a brand new car, but it's new to me, so I'm super excited about having it. And as many of you might know, one of the reasons why I'm not driving my BMW 6 Series and why that's been parked up is because there's an insurance claim going through on that. I was driving on the left hand side or on the slow lane or whatever. They hit me and sideswiped the car. I didn't have a dash cam and it frustrated me a lot that I didn't have that footage. You can see, like, I was perfectly in the left lane and...
well, it's debatable. I mean, I didn't feel like I drifted at all.
So I wanted to make sure I remedied that with this car. I never want to have a problem. I never want to have an issue trying to prove what happened. So with this setup, I'm basically going to hopefully show you guys how to do it. Or if you want to get in contact with me to get it set up on your car, you know, just get in touch with me. I should hopefully have my website set up soon, so I'll leave a link to that. Or you can just message me on Instagram. So with this car being so new to me, I wanted to invest in getting a dash cam fitted. And, well, to be honest with you guys, this car took pretty much all of my money. So I found this really good budget dash cam and I thought I'm going to take a plunge and go for it. But I had a little bit of confidence because my cousin actually has the exact same one installed to his car, which I did previously. That was a Mercedes C-Class W205, but this I am basically doing on this car. Hardly any information on how to do it, so I thought I'd create this video for you all to watch. It's part of my ownership with the car. It is a service I'm going to offer to others. If you want to follow along this video, please feel free to. One of the reasons why I picked this was because of Linus Tech Tips' big video that he did on all the dash cams, different price ranges and those kind of things. Now my brother did have a Blackvue on his car. It was absolutely brilliant, but I don't have the budget for that at the moment, and seeing the video quality on this, it was more than good enough for what I'm after right now. So I thought I'm going to take the plunge and get this. This all came up to around £100. You have to get the hardwire kit separate, but here is the actual dash cam now. One of the reasons why I like this is because it's just a sleek looking unit. There you go. It just looks so simple, so clean, and yeah, I just thought it's a brilliant kit. I'm going to look at getting it and fitting it on. So basically the hard part has been figuring out where the fuse boxes are on the actual F90 M5, and it's probably going to be the same as the G series as well. A lot of people online kept saying that it's next to the glove box. They are basically in the US, because if you follow me over to this side, I have taken apart this panel here and there is no fuse box, which is not good. And here is the driver's side, and you can see there it is. That is where the fuse box is on this car. So we've got that one here. I think there's another one in the engine bay, and we've got this one just over here as well. This does have the paperwork inside, so been having a look around, and unfortunately on the paperwork it doesn't actually give you a diagram of where all the locations are. That seems to be on other BMW's older ones, but they've gotten rid of it here. So here is how we want it to look underneath. So this one is just on the furthest one on this block. We've got the adapter going through, and this is on the third from the end, and we've got the adapter point. And there we've got the earth point just over there, which it's not focusing on at the moment, but that's all nicely tightened up. It's a 13mm, and this is the size of the extension that you have to use to get it connected up nicely without worrying about space back here. But that's it. This is the fuse box diagram. Now as you open up the fuse box over here, let's transport over to the car. So this fuse box diagram basically looks like this. So as you're looking at the fuse box here, you're looking at it from this point of view. So back in the boot of the car, so we can actually have a look at it. So the fuses that I've tapped into, F50 is for the cigarette lighter, which is just over here, F50. F29 is just over here, which is for the lighting. F29 is a constant live, and F50 is a remote live, so that turns on with the ignition. The wiring harness comes with 2 points. It needs one ignition live and one constant live. So I've used the I've used the fuse adapters that it comes with basically for that. This is a micro one. It's got the full bigger size fuses for it. So that's what I've tapped into. So that is all the wiring all completed. Now, from here, I have ran the wiring across, up, over, all the way to this point, taking it all the way around, up, over and through, and you can't see any of the wiring. And then I've taken it up across this part here, and I've brought the main live wire for the power just over through here, and this is where the dash cam is. The reason why I put it here, I ideally wanted it over here, but this being all plastic and it's quite tight to the glass, I didn't want to create extra creaking or anything like that. Being this part here between the headliner and the plastic, you've got a little bit more of a gap, so it just allows the actual wiring to sit in there and not cause any friction to this plastic and pulling it apart or anything like that. So that's going to be better longevity wise. This wire here is gone all the way across, round, up over the sides, right the way to the rear of the car. So I'm gonna basically just make sure this is all working right now, and I've put it just over here. Now why I've done that is because from this point of view, it's not an extra big bulky part just hanging from the middle, and again with the actual plastic trim all the way around, it gives it that little bit less of a headache from any potential squeaking. And I've just run the wire up, over and through. The excess wiring is behind here. So that is the dash cam all set up. So everyone, I just wanted to end this video off by making a couple of points real quickly. First of all, I actually done this install twice. First time on my first M5 and then again on my second M5. You guys might have seen the drama around all of that already on the channel. But yeah, right, so the dash cam has been brilliant. I will insert some clips right now of some of the footage from the dash cam, and I can honestly say it is brilliant quality. It is quite funny. It does, if I floor it in the M5, it does think that an incident has happened and it saves the recording basically, which was quite funny. In terms of its video quality, it's really good. Maybe it's a little bit overly sensitive in terms of when it thinks an incident happens, but that is probably better to be that way than to be the other way around. Right now, the actual dash cam and its hardwire kit are available on Amazon, and they are on sale at the moment. So it's Prime Day today and tomorrow. I wasn't going to release this video right now, but I thought for you guys, if there is a chance for you to make an extra saving, I just want to get this video out there. So please click on the links down below. They are affiliate links, and so it will help support the channel, but at the same time you guys get to make a nice decent saving. I think it's like £20 or £30 saving in total, so basically a third off from the normal price. They do have sales with this item on a regular basis, so basically if you don't get it today and tomorrow, you might be able to find it on a discounted price again in the future, so keep an eye out for that. But right everyone, I'm going to end the video here. Like I said, if you wanted to look at getting me to do the install for you, please hit me up on Instagram or check out my website. It's not up just yet, but it will be up in the near future, hopefully within the next month or two. And yeah, right, we're going to end the video here. If you feel like subscribing, please do. Give the video a thumbs up and leave any comments down below on anything I could do differently. For now everyone, peace out. Bye.